Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and today a little different. I haven't posted a car in a while, but yes, it's not an RV, it is an SUV. And we have a 2015 Dodge Journey. This thing has 186,000 miles. It has a clean title. It's got no check engine lights. It just passed North Carolina state inspection. It's got a great set of tires, front and rear. So let's check this thing out. There is a little bit of paint fade up on the roof up there. For the most part, the body is straight. There's a small little door ding on the fender right there. And quarter panel, there's a little dent and scratch right there. Overall, pretty darn good condition for a 15 with 186,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, cruise, tilt. It's got excellent interior, guys. No rips, no tears, no stains or anything like that. This has third row seating, so the back seat, you could adjust it, bring it down, do all that, push it forward. Great for the kids. Third row seating, that also folds flat, so you have more cargo area. Rear AC as well, guys. Check out the headliner. It's got no rips or tears in it or anything like that. Again, power windows, power door locks. It's got steering wheel controls. It's got a nice aftermarket touchscreen radio over here. Let's see, how do we go home? There we go. So this thing has, what do we got on it? We got Google Chrome. You got Apple Music, YouTube, Bluetooth, pretty much everything that you want on it. Automatic transmission, pretty decent storage over here. We've got auxiliary and USB, as well as your standard 12-volt DC charge as well. Again, just past North Carolina state inspection. Power windows, power door locks. Guys, this thing is super clean. No check engine lights or anything like that. Again, 186,843 miles, guys. If you are interested, my name is Chris. I am CGM Auto Brokers. I could be reached at 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. We could also help with financing, guys. Don't miss out on this one. If you have any questions, please leave a comment here, guys. It helps the algorithm. Please like, please subscribe. Call with any questions you might have as well, guys. And remember, most importantly, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. God bless.